Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I'm back again with another product, and it is this guy right here, and it's by UGREEN. It's a ultra long range Bluetooth 5.3 adapter for your PC. It goes up to 328 feet with a clear line of sight, of course. About 100 meters, pretty much relatively the same distance. It is a Bluetooth dongle with the antenna. I don't know why I did that because you can see it right there. And it's intended for, I think it might be better for if you wanted to do like maybe in your PC in your home and you want to just play music all day and you got this boombox speaker, kind of like that guy back there, and you want to go play that outside and you just want to go hit play and go, right? So you got a lot of things that are Bluetooth enabled and have Bluetooth capabilities. You got a keyboard, which I'm hiding right now. You got a mouse that you're using. I got a Bluetooth speaker, as I pointed to previously. You name it, it's a lot of stuff's Bluetooth. And sometimes you need something just a little bit longer in distance and range and capability than what you have built into your computer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open this guy up. We're going to take a look at it, get it installed, and show you what we can do here. That is everything. This is that European, and I believe it's French, maybe? It's starting to get popular around, or is it getting popular? I don't know. I've heard about it. It's a recycling requirement for some countries in Europe. I think France is the biggest proponent of all this one. So, Bluetooth adapter. This manual comes with it. Very nice, colorful manual. Has a multitude of colors. They did not spare any expense on the color of this really big paper. It's big. Here is the star of the show. It's this guy right here. Oops. Thing almost shot away from me. That is it. It is just this guy right here, and it looks like that it can pivot. Yep, so you can pivot it. It does say, I don't know if you can see that here. Let's see if you can see that. Let me move it forward a little bit. It says BT 5.3 right there. It does have a Bluetooth symbol on it right there. Get that a little bit closer for you. Little Bluetooth symbol right there. It has UGREEN on the front of this, and it has some verbiage on the back. Now, as you can see here, this is a USB-A connection. So if you only have USB-Cs on your computer, then it's probably best that you either get an adapter for it or you figure it out. I just so happen to have one right there. All right, so we've gone in and disabled the current Bluetooth driver. So let's see if it's even working. Okay, not connected. Let's see if there's the capability. Ooh, all right. So first things first, people, we're gonna go ahead and connect this mouse so I can use my mouse. It won't work. Let's go to Bluetooth settings real quick, make sure I got everything going. Bluetooth mouse, it's on. Add a device, Bluetooth mouse. There it is. There it is. All right. We are good to go. All right. Done. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and add a device. Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and see. This is my Bluetooth keyboard. I don't recall. Let's check. Oh, wait, there it is. Let's see if it works. All right. 665-019. Enter. Your device is good to go. Seriously? Okay, so let's go ahead and check something. I don't know. Let's open up a Word document, maybe. Something like that. Let's open something. A Word document. The Bluetooth mouse is pumping. Let's just go ahead and do a blank document. And, oh yeah. It's working. So I've got two devices connected already. Nice. And it is working just fine. Let's see if it will connect to these guys right here. Let's go ahead and, there they are. Let's connect. Okay, check. I've already added them, but allow. And I do hear it. And it has told me that they're connected. I need to charge the case up a little bit, but the live do work. It's successful. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open up some free music there. So let's go ahead and just go to trending. Let's see who you guys are. Oh yeah, let's see if you can hear this. Make sure it's on in my ears. Yep, hold on. I'm trying not to touch the mic, but that's what I'm hearing. Boom, boom.